Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am in a picnic. Good morning. There is my brother Saptoshi. Here he is my brother. We are together in a picnic. He is also working on YouTube. Now I will show you the picnic spot. Here is my dad. Here is my mother. Here is my mother.
Main abar corporate bhul hoy je basic deeply Indian ke bhagano jono chesta koreছিল আমাকে তো বলতে আমাকে দেখতে না ভালো হতো
He is my father.
Hello. Go.
And they are my father's friend.
Hello. Hello.
They are my father's friend.
Hello. Hello bol.
They are my father's friend.
He is a cute guy. Cute bachcha. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Uda.
We found a mysterious place. Now I am just roaming around. Here is our dog. His name is Guddu. Guddu. This is Shubha uncle. This is Shubha uncle. This is Kanchu Dada.
Hello. Thank you.
This is Dada.
Champa.
This is Dada.
Na Champa.
And this is also Shubha uncle. 1 minute, I am under a tree. I have to go from the other way. Here. This is Shubha uncle. This is also Shubha uncle. Now I am just roaming around. Hey guys, I found a mysterious place. It is broken. I will show you. This is a mysterious place. Me and my brother are going into the mysterious place. No. Here is the mysterious place. And here is a pond. Papa. I will go to explore the. Papa. Oh, Papa. Is that safe for going in there? Thank you. Here, we are here. I have to go carefully in that place. You go first.
এইখানে স্নেক আছে কেউ না
আমি এখানে যাব
এগুলো ভাঙা এগুলো ভেঙে যাবে বাবা এগুলো একদম ইসে আছে কমজোরি আছে এই কমজোরি আছে বাবা ভেঙে যাবে
না they are going up. Now I will go up.
Hey Subroto,
Uncle is helping me. Where am I go?
আর যায় না
Here I went in this mysterious place. Oh wow, here is a beautiful place. Wow. Wow. The jungle is very beautiful.
এখানে লোকের বাড়ি বাবা চলো এই চলো চলো আসো এদিকে আসো
আঙ্কেল তুমি এসে গেলে
হ্যাঁ আস্তে আস্তে
কেন আসলে বাবা চলার জন্য একটা জায়গা করেছে আর এটা আজকে I saw it. It was a very mysterious place, guys.
Hello, little one. Please take your lunch.
Okay. Here is the pukur pond. And here is a house. And sorry.
This is Papa.
Uncle?
Hello.
Yes, this is your papa. This is my papa. Uncle. Father.
Yes,
আজকে এই জায়গার নাম কি?
এই জায়গার নাম হচ্ছে তোমার কি বলো পলতা।
Polta. This is in Polta, India. Polta. If you this place is very beautiful. Look, there are chairs in here. And the jungle. Look, it's very beautiful. Nature. এখানে একটা জঙ্গল আছে খুব সুন্দর। এখানে একটা বাড়ির জন্য nature. This is called nature. We should keep our heart like this. I will show you Pew Mimi. I will show my brother's mom. This is my brother's mom. Hi. This is my father's another friend.
Hello.
Actually, it is my father's office picnic. This is our Pew Mimi. Hello. Then this is the mysterious path also. I will go inside later. This one is someone's house, and this is the path. Hello, I saw a mysterious thing in there. Look, there is a gym. There is a gym. There is a gym in here. Hello. क्यों नहीं भाई? Hey, stop! কি আছে এটার মধ্যে? This is a gym. The gate is locked. We can't go in here. Look, gate is locked. But we can peek. Then this is path here. And this is old abandoned shed. 1 minute. This is a mandir. Like for one. And this one is a mysterious path. I will go inside in there. I don't know where it goes, but I will test out. Ooh, wow! Wow! I came to the road so easily. This is the road. Now we go inside again.